Retiring early on a low income is not about discovering a secret investment, taking extreme risks, or eliminating all enjoyment from your life, but about understanding how stability, expense control, intentional lifestyle design, and consistent long-term investing work together over time, especially when income is limited, and how building systems that reduce financial pressure while increasing savings rate gradually can make early retirement realistic even without a high salary. Number 10. Focus on savings rate, not income size. Many people assume early retirement is only possible with a high income, but income alone does not determine financial independence because spending habits often rise alongside earnings. What matters more than how much you earn is how much of it you consistently keep and invest over long periods of time. A person earning a modest income who saves a meaningful percentage can often reach independence faster than someone earning more but spending nearly everything. Focusing on savings rate shifts attention away from comparison and toward control. Control reduces discouragement and increases clarity. When you track how much you retain instead of how much you earn, progress becomes measurable and motivating. Early retirement begins with what you consistently keep, not what you occasionally make. Number 9. Design a low-cost lifestyle you actually enjoy. Trying to force an extremely restrictive lifestyle in the name of early retirement usually leads to burnout and eventual overspending. Instead of removing joy, the goal is to intentionally choose forms of enjoyment that cost less but still feel meaningful. A low-cost lifestyle becomes sustainable when it aligns with personal values rather than external expectations. If entertainment, housing, transportation, and food choices are designed around simplicity instead of status, long-term expenses shrink naturally. Lower recurring expenses reduce the amount required for retirement. Reducing the target number makes early retirement mathematically easier. Enjoyable simplicity lasts longer than forced sacrifice. Number 8. Avoid lifestyle inflation at every income increase. Even small increases in income can quietly reshape spending habits if there is no clear intention guiding where the extra money should go. Lifestyle inflation rarely feels reckless in the moment because each upgrade appears justified by improved earnings, whether it is slightly better housing, a newer car, more frequent dining out, or upgraded subscriptions. Over time, however, these incremental increases compound into significantly higher monthly obligations that require a much larger retirement portfolio to sustain. When income rises but expenses rise alongside it, the distance to financial independence remains unchanged. Deciding in advance that a fixed percentage of every raise will be directed toward investments creates automatic progress without requiring constant discipline. This approach allows lifestyle to improve slowly and intentionally while still accelerating long-term savings. By controlling inflation in spending rather than eliminating enjoyment entirely, you protect both quality of life and future freedom. Consistency during income growth is often more powerful than extreme saving during periods of low income. Number 7. Invest early and consistently, even in small amounts. For individuals earning a lower income, it can feel pointless to invest small amounts because the contributions appear insignificant compared to the final retirement goal. However, the power of compounding does not depend on large initial contributions, but on time and consistency. Money invested early has decades to grow, reinvest, and multiply, which often matters more than the size of individual deposits. Delaying investing until income increases sacrifices the most valuable asset available, which is time. Automatic monthly investing removes emotional hesitation and reduces the temptation to wait for the perfect market condition. Small, regular contributions build confidence and create visible momentum over time. The habit of investing consistently becomes more important than the specific return in the early years. Starting before you feel ready is often the difference between retiring early and working longer than necessary. Number 6. Keep fixed expenses as low as realistically possible. Fixed expenses determine the minimum amount of income required to sustain your lifestyle, and they influence financial flexibility more than occasional discretionary spending. When housing, transportation, insurance, and recurring bills consume a large percentage of income, saving becomes mathematically difficult regardless of discipline. Lowering fixed expenses creates long-term breathing room that compounds every single month. Choosing modest housing, practical transportation, and controlled subscription costs reduces the baseline cost of living permanently. Permanent reductions have a greater impact than temporary sacrifices. When fixed expenses are low, income volatility becomes less threatening and savings rate becomes easier to maintain. Lower living costs also reduce the amount of money required to retire, shortening the timeline to financial independence. Designing your life around manageable fixed costs is one of the most powerful long-term decisions you can make. Number 5. Build multiple income streams gradually and strategically. Relying on a single income source increases vulnerability, particularly when earnings are modest and job security is uncertain. Developing additional income streams, even small ones, increases resilience and accelerates savings without requiring extreme lifestyle changes. These streams can include freelance work, skill-based services, digital products, tutoring, or part-time roles that align with your abilities. Supplemental income directed entirely toward investments compounds significantly over time because it does not become absorbed into daily expenses. Diversified income reduces emotional pressure tied to a single job. Reduced pressure improves decision-making and long-term planning. Over time, multiple streams can evolve into semi-passive income that supports partial retirement earlier than expected. Incremental income diversification strengthens the path to early retirement without requiring dramatic career changes. Number 4. Calculate your enough number with realism and clarity. Early retirement becomes tangible only when you define what financial independence actually requires for your specific lifestyle. Many people overestimate their retirement needs because they assume current spending patterns will continue unchanged. When lifestyle is intentionally simplified and fixed expenses are controlled, the required retirement portfolio becomes smaller and more achievable. Calculating annual expenses and applying a sustainable withdrawal framework provides a measurable target rather than a vague dream. Clarity reduces anxiety because progress can be tracked against a specific number. Tracking progress transforms early retirement from an abstract goal into a practical project. Realistic expectations prevent discouragement during slow years. When the destination is clearly defined, discipline feels purposeful rather than restrictive. Number 3. Prioritize long-term stability over short-term comfort. Short-term upgrades often compete directly with long-term freedom, especially when income margins are narrow. Choosing stability may involve delaying non-essential purchases, resisting status-driven spending, or accepting slower lifestyle improvements. While these choices can feel inconvenient temporarily, they create compounding benefits that extend for decades. Financial stability reduces the frequency of emergencies that interrupt investing. Fewer interruptions allow investments to grow uninterrupted. Uninterrupted growth is one of the most powerful accelerators of wealth over time. Long-term thinking reframes small sacrifices as investments in future autonomy. Consistently choosing stability over impulse builds momentum toward independence. Number 2. Protect your emergency fund aggressively. On a low income, unexpected expenses can reverse progress quickly if there is no protective buffer in place. An emergency fund acts as a shock absorber that prevents reliance on debt or premature investment withdrawals. Without this buffer, even small setbacks create financial stress that disrupts long-term plans. Keeping emergency savings separate from daily spending accounts introduces friction that discourages casual use. Friction creates intentional decision-making rather than emotional reaction. Knowing that emergencies are covered reduces anxiety and strengthens confidence in the overall strategy. Confidence improves patience during market fluctuations and slow growth periods. Protecting your emergency fund is not cautious overplanning. It is structural defense for early retirement. Number 1. Redefine early retirement as financial flexibility rather than total withdrawal from work. For individuals with lower incomes, early retirement may not mean never working again, but gaining control over how and when work happens. Financial flexibility allows you to choose part-time work, passion projects, or slower-paced employment without financial pressure. When the goal shifts from total withdrawal to optional work, the required retirement portfolio becomes smaller and more realistic. Lower expectations shorten timelines and reduce psychological pressure. Flexibility also allows gradual transitions rather than abrupt exits. Gradual transitions reduce risk and increase sustainability. Viewing early retirement as autonomy rather than escape creates a more balanced approach. Autonomy achieved steadily often arrives sooner than perfection pursued aggressively. Bonus tip: track long-term progress with patience and perspective. Daily monitoring of investments can create emotional reactions to short-term volatility that distract from long-term goals. Market fluctuations are normal, but reacting to them impulsively can harm compounding. Tracking progress on a yearly basis provides clearer insight into overall growth trends. Long-term investing is rarely smooth or linear, especially over decades. Stepping back reduces stress and strengthens patience. Patience allows compounding to function without interruption. Viewing progress over years rather than days reinforces discipline. Perspective is one of the most underestimated advantages in early retirement planning. If you want to retire early on a low income, choose one structural change from this video and commit to it consistently, rather than attempting to overhaul your entire financial life at once. Comment which step you are starting with, subscribe for realistic and pressure-aware financial guidance, and thank you for watching. See you next time.